Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix the high complexity area error in Lego Fortnite. So here I'll be showing you the ways to fix the high complexity area error on your Lego Fortnite. So I'm gonna provide you the link that is gamerent.com/Lego Fortnite how fix high complexity area troubleshooting. When you type in this link, you could go ahead and find out. When you type in this link, you could go ahead and find out the ways to fix this issue. So as you can see, they've mentioned the ways to do it. So first step is to return to a lobby to restart Lego Fortnite, or else you could also go ahead and restart the Fortnite. Then you could also check the internet connection at the same time or contact the Lego Fortnite support. So likewise, by following this step, you should have successfully solved your issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.